Mr. Ned's Worldfamousfoodz here. Just landed in Detroit, Michigan. Okay, so I was just talking to the guy who's running this right here. So he says, if you need one of these, all you gotta do is come to talk to him or his supervisor. They scan the boarding pass, it takes you where you need to go, and then it comes back automatically. He can't talk to me on camera because he's on duty, he said, but I'm allowed to just show you guys these right here. And there are 3 more over there on this side. And the reason that they're going so slow is because we got pedestrians walking through here. And of course, they're mostly for the elderly. The one I'm going too fast. And of course, it makes a noise to alert the other pedestrians that they're on the way. All right. Okay, guys, so I'm about to try one of these things out. I just gave the guy my boarding pass, and we're waiting to take off. It's going to take me to my gate. Here we go. Okay. I just sit in and it'll just do its thing. It's taking me to my gate. I'm going to 845. And as I said, it's got the music playing so people can know that I'm coming. Let's see what's happening. There he goes. See that? All right, so got the air train coming down here. Really different than at JFK, New York. Oh, it went behind there. And there should be another one coming right here, which is right there. This guy right here, let's see if he's gonna try and run me over. It's parking itself right here. There's 2 other ones. Air train's leaving there. If we look further down there, the other one should be coming out. Just look at this, you see the red color. Back down there. Here we going towards A45. As I said earlier, it's not going to be going too fast because you got elderly people who actually ride this thing, so you don't want them running over people. And I think it's actually free. It doesn't really cost anything to do it. All you do is just give the guy your boarding pass, he scans it, and this thing takes you exactly where you need to go. If you want some wine, you get some wine right there. Other directories up here. The noise is very annoying, but at least it tells people that you're coming, so you know. And as the guy said, they're actually trying to get more people to use these. So guess once it sees people that actually, anybody comes closer, they actually kind of slows down so they know to get out of the way. So it actually avoids hitting people. Look at that. Right now we at A43, going past the store right here, and we coming out at A45. And as he said, once he gets to the gate, it's gonna stop. I'll just get off, get my bag, and just call it back home. Worldfamousfoodz in Detroit, Michigan, giving this thing a test. See right here, this guy's in front of me now. It's actually slowing itself down. Watch this right here, watch this. See these guys right here? Look at this. Look at this. Let's see where it's gonna stop. It's bringing us here. Look at this. It's coming right here to A45. Okay, so here I am. And then I get off right here.